Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is episode 11, Tool Time Tuesday. Stay tuned. Cue the intro. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tool Time Tuesday. This episode is going to be on my scan tool that I've been using for a little while. It's the one from Walmart. It's the little cheapy dealio, Hypertech HT309. So we'll hook this up to the truck, see what kind of codes I got, and we'll talk a little bit about this. I got my Tiggy, the gray cat, to help her today. So yeah, this tool's been, I think every little DIY shade tree shop should have one of these. Just pull the code and look it up. This is simple, easy. There's other solutions that are more expensive. I really don't do this type of diagnostics. It's just every now and then, when my neighbor customers will come in, and most of the time it's the fuel cap. Tighten that fuel cap. Check that first. But so let me hook it up to the truck and go from there. So stay tuned. Right, Diggy. Alright guys, little tip, keep the door open buzzer from going off. Take some duct tape and little washer, covered it over, and gotta keep the noise when you got the key in the ignition. And most of your where you hook these things up at, usually under the steering column. This particular one is off to the left, right above. And we got that going. OBD2. So, turn the key on here. And do enter. It says 6 codes found. Read codes. O2 sensor. Have a handy dandy pad and pencil ready, or a pen, whatever you got to write down some numbers. Bank 1, sensor 1. Sensor heater circuit bank 1. Sensor heater circuit bank 2. Malfunction control. P113 3. There, that may be P14. These may be old codes. 06 and P18 70. Let's grab the other one. And P0 134. What's that one? P0 135. P0 135. And did I get that one? P0 155? No, I didn't. P0 155. And I got that one. So that's my codes. Pretty simple. If you want to erase the codes, go down here, erase codes. Enter. Are you sure? Yes. Erasing done. Press any key to continue. So this is pretty good. View freeze frame. I am readiness. Vehicle information and exit. Vehicle information. Turn key on. Vehicle information.
Hey, big guy.
Hey, how are you?
Okay.
Alrighty, so the old scan tool gave me some codes. I think was from before when we had changed the intake, the manifold. Didn't clean out any code, so that may be part of some of this. So the codes, did the old Google search on these. So I had two of the oxygen sensors, bank 1 and bank 2 came up. The EGR, which is the exhaust gas, was one. Transmission code was another. That may be something I got to keep an eye out on that one. The P1870, gotta watch out for that one. I got another oxygen sensor code, and the this may be one of those other ones where I changed the intake because of the poppets were sticking. Is the P0135, the air fuel system. So that might be another one I want to keep an eye on if that pops up again. So the 1870 and the 0135, keep an eye on. Probably got to replace the oxygen sensors. They're probably factory, but that's what I got on there. So let me quickly, I don't know if I can, if there's a update I can do for this. So let me look into that real quick on the Hypertech HT309. Let's see if we can't get, I don't know how you'd actually do it, but let me look into that and I'll be right back. Alright, everybody. This particular one I Googled, and I don't think there is a firmware kind of update. to this. I'll look into it further. Let you know on that. But as far as I can tell, no. I'll check into it. So all in all, it's been a great little tool. Gives me some codes, everything I need to do with it. Gonna look further into getting a step higher for sure. One of these maybe near future, but we'll see. Yeah, so I think check out my hashtag Topwolf Automotive for my giveaway, my 500 sub giveaway. Pretty close. We're at 440. I think next week I'll be able to start putting names in the old bucket and getting close to that 500. So hashtag Topwolf Automotive. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help spread the word to get me to 500. Alrighty. I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Cue the outro.